Okay students, so we are going to start with our first unit, and that is solutions. Now, what is solution? Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components whose composition can be varied within certain limits. Now, it means that its composition and properties are uniform throughout the mixture. All right, as you all have studied about solutions earlier in your 9th class, right? I know you all must be knowing about the solutions a little bit, so you must be knowing the characteristics also, and you must be knowing that it has two components, two or more components, but the major components, the main components present in the solutions are, yes, you all know this, it is solute and solvent. Correct. So what is a solvent? It is the component present in the largest quantity, right? And what is its solvent? And what is a solute? One or more component other than the solvent. Other than the solvent. Okay, you know about the characteristics of solutions, and that is, it is a single phase system. It does not scatter the beam of light, that means it does not show Tyndall effect. You know that the particles are, size is less than 1 nanometer, so they cannot be seen with naked eyes, right? They are stable, they cannot be separated by simple filtration processes. All these things you already know, which you have already studied in your 9th class, right? So we will move ahead, we will move to the classification of solution. This also you have already studied, that there are different types of classification. Classification of solution. Classification is not that important, but we will discuss it a little bit. Okay, so the first classification is based on the basis of solvent, right? So aqueous solution and non-aqueous. What do you mean by aqueous solution? Right, aqueous, you already know, aqueous means water. Whenever the solvent is water, those solutions are called aqueous solution. When solute is dissolved in water, right? And when the solute is dissolved in other than water, which means solvent is other than water, then those solutions are called non-aqueous solution. Solvent is other than water, right? They are non-aqueous solutions. Okay, fine. So this was the first classification on the basis of solvent. The next classification is, yes, on the basis of number of components. Number of components. Number of components means how many components are present in the solution, right? If two components, which the basic ones which you have studied in the 9th class, in which there is one solute and one solvent, right? And they are called binary solutions. Binary solution means one solute, one solvent, means two components, right? And three components, ternary solutions, means three components. Quaternary, and so on, right? Quaternary, 4, right, and so on. In this chapter we will be discussing majorly binary solutions. Okay, so yes, there is one more classification, that is on the basis of physical state. Physical state, on the basis of physical state, that is solid solutions, liquid solutions, gaseous solutions. Okay, so solid solutions in which solvent is solid, right? You can have different examples like amalgams. You know that it is in which the solvent is mercury, right? Amalgams. Or any other example which we can give, alloys. Alloys are different example. Now the next thing, the next basis is the next category is liquid solution. The liquid solutions which you already know, that in which solvent is liquid. You know, cold drinks are the examples. Aerated drinks, right? Cold drinks. Any other example which you can give? Beverages, like they are cold drinks only, beverages, etc., right? Gaseous solutions in which solvent is gas. Solvent is gas, like smoke or dust. Solvent is gas. Or air, most common example, correct? So this is the end of one topic, that is classification of solution. Now in the next video we will be discussing about expressing concentration of the solution, one of the most important topic from your board examination point of view. Okay.